In this video, I will guide you on how to recover deleted Instagram messages. First of all, you want to check if the messages are actually deleted. For that, launch open Instagram, then head over to your DMs. Now scroll through all conversations. Look for the chat. If you do not find it here, then it might have been deleted. In that case, you want to head over to your profile, tap on the three-line menu at the top right, then go to Account Center. Now select your Information and Permissions option. Here tap Export Your Information. Then tap Create Export. Now select your Instagram profile, choose to download to device. Now you want to tap on Customize Information. Here you want to clear all and select only messages. Then tap Save. Now choose a date range. Select the date range of the message that you want to recover, then tap on Save. Now for file format, you want to select HTML. For media quality, select Medium. Then tap on Start Export. Enter your password and tap Continue. Now wait for Instagram to prepare your data. Once it has been prepared, you will receive an email. Simply open that, tap on the download link. Then you can open the downloaded files to view your messages. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.